fix touchpad in Windows 10 or 11 not working. So if you want to fix the touchpad in your Windows 10 or 11 not working, then what you need to do is make sure that your touchpad is enabled, because if it is not enabled, then you won't be able to use your touchpad. So to enable your touchpad, you need to just press your FN key and then the function key with the touchpad symbol on your keyboard. You will have the key with on your F7 or 6 or something like that. So if you're using your laptop, you will have that on your F7. You can just simply tap on the function key with the touchpad symbol and your touchpad will be activated. Even after that, if it doesn't activate, then move on to the next solution. So the second solution is you need to open up your settings. You can open up your settings with your Windows key plus X key. So press your Windows and X keys together and you will have this kind of interface on the left side. You can use your downward arrow key to go to your device manager and hit the enter. It will open up your device manager. After opening your device manager, you need to first press tab and then go with your arrow keys and select the option of mice and other pointing devices and go with right arrow key, press right arrow key, and you will have this drop down. So you just need simply go with the down arrow key and select your mice and pointing devices option. You will have the touchpad option right here. If you find the touchpad option, then you just need simply hit the enter. After hitting the enter, you can go with the right arrow keys or just simply press tab. Once you press tab, you can go with right arrow keys and it will take you to the driver. And after that, on your driver, you can go with update driver option. Once you go with update driver, now you can go with the arrow keys and then select the first option at first and then hit the enter. If that doesn't work, then you can go with the second option and then hit the enter. And now you can go with, let me pick from a list of available drivers, which is on the bottom. Go with your tab key and hit the enter and select the options, any model that you're comfortable with, and then just hit the enter again and it will update your driver. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you can fix your touchpad in your Windows 10 or 11 not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.